to a million funerals. I've seen a million graves, and I've had my heart broken a million times, but it never sounded quite like this. Cemetery sounds like this. To heaven to hold all the lies you told. You poisoned my soul so many times, and you broke my heart before it could start. Now we drift apart. Tears won't fall. I wanna scream, but my voice is gone. I wanna feel, but my heart's so numb. I wanna pray, but I don't know. Gone to a million funerals. I've seen a million graves, and I've had my heart broken a million times. But it never sounded quite like this. Like this, like this. Like this, like this. Like this. Cemetery sounds like this. 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 Cemetery sounds like this. I could write a letter and tell you I love you, but I don't, and you know it's true. The heart's the heart, and you don't know how it works. We said we loved each other, but it hurt. What can I do to prove that I miss you? And I did, and I did. The heart's the heart, and you don't know how it works. We said we loved each other, but it hurt. What can I do to prove that I miss you? And I did, and I did. The heart's the heart, and you don't know how it works. We said we loved each other, but it hurt. I wanna cry, but my tears won't fall. I wanna scream, but my voice is gone. I wanna feel, but my heart's so numb. I wanna pray, but I don't